This model kit review is of the 1989 Sauber Mercedes, the C9 racing car. It is a 1/24 scale and it's by Tamiya. So we've got some engine, got some very nice box art there. It says we've got some photo etched parts included. Let's see here, there are the dimensions there. Some nice pictures there of the car. And so this car took 7 wins in 1989 and obviously a very successful race car, and some colours needed. So let's have a look on the inside and see what we've got. Well, so let's start off here first of all with our glass. Very nicely molded, perfect glass, absolutely crystal clear and very well molded. We've got our front, and then these are the side windows there. You can see these are the racing windows, just a little vent to slide along, and some lights and so on. Let's have a look at our body next. Cut it off instead. That is beautifully molded, very nice and clean. We've got beautiful vents here, you can see there, you can see through them. So that body is very beautifully molded. Here's we've got some tires. We've got racing tires. These are slicks. There's a mold line down the middle, and I typically sand that off anyway. It gives it that worn look. We've got some poly caps for the wheels. These are the large rear ones, and then front tires. Let's have a look here at the chassis. So there's our chassis, huge ducts there. This is our front part of the suspension there. We've got some headers there for the engine, some more suspension components, wheels. These are the front wheels, rear wheels much wider and larger diameter. We've got here our racing seat with seat belts molded in. Got some more frame parts there, subframe parts here with suspension parts. Looks like part of our engine there for air intake. And then belts and pulleys. There's our steering wheel. Everything is just beautifully molded, so crisp and clean. This is our main wing, and then this is the rest of the underneath. It's going to go underneath here. It's the part of the lower part of the chassis. Okay, so over here we've got our engine, very large engine with the transaxle there. Lots of engine parts here. There are our disc brakes and some more suspension parts there. There's the radiator, and then our turbos. They're beautifully molded, such great detail. And here we've got our cockpit tub with the part area where the seat's going to go. There's our steering rack there. I guess the wheels are going to turn. Not sure what that part's for. We'll have to look and see. There's our dashboard, and probably our firewall there. Lots of ducts going there, and then our front wheel hubs there. So these are the photo etched parts here. And that's part of the radiator there. I'm not really sure what most of these are. We'll have to look at the instructions. We've got some seatbelt parts. That's very nice. but that is a very nice addition. We've got some decals as well as the masks, and then seat belts. Okay, let's have a look at our instructions here. So there are the details about the car, and those are the colors needed. So we start off with our chassis, put support of our suspension together, work on the radiator there. That's where the photo etch part comes in there. Got our wheel hubs going on, build the engine, more engine parts there, and then there's the rear axles there and the wheel hubs. That's all then mounted onto the engine and then onto the chassis. We've got our firewall there, and seat belts. Shows you how to do the seat belts along with the photo etch parts. It's a very nice addition. Building the cockpit here along with our seat, and mount that onto the rear bulkhead or firewall. There's our dashboard. Cockpit's then mounted onto the chassis, and turbochargers and exhausts are put on, air intake, and then we move on to the wheels, and they've got some decals there for the Michelin tire brand, and more photo etch there. Now we're working on the front body. Put our ducts there together. There's our windshield going on, our headlights, and then side glass, as well as extra little details on the main body. That's then all mounted onto the chassis along with our side mirrors. Here's our wing, and then the rear cowling we're putting together with the ducts as well, and then mounting all of that onto the body. There's the paint and decal guide. Quite a few little decals there, and that is a very nice model kit by Tamiya, well molded, lots of great details, the photo etch, the decals, really everything is phenomenal.